Hey guys, back with another quick unboxing and time-lapse video for assembly. This is, you saw me do a Cycrown bike just recently. It's a comparison bike for this. That was a step over bike. This is the Cycrown Roma step through bike. And so this is going to be a quick time-lapse video to show you my process of unboxing and assembly. And then I'll come back with the two bikes. We'll take it for a ride and we will, I'll give you my thoughts in comparison. All right, so no longer, then let's delay anymore. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm back. Finished installing the Cycrown Roma. It was rather easy. Comes like 90% assembled. Any slowness was due to me not using a manual, just doing what I normally do. The seat came not straight, I guess, with packing. I had to sort of adjust it on the frame. Very nice bike, beautifully finished, as you would have seen when I opened the box. Amazingly packed with that molded foam. They should probably all come like that. Beautiful paint finish, sturdy stand, nice fat tires, quick to assemble. I thought that they had forgotten to give me the spindle for the front, the quick release, but it's not a quick release. In the little plastic bag sealed, I found these two bolts that lock in, that screw into the axle. Very well packaged. I'm gonna charge it up and then I'm gonna take a ride, probably take you for the ride with me with my Insta 360X5, and then I'll put the two bikes together and we'll have a conversation about comparing this to the Cycrown Roma, which I showed you in the beginning, time-lapse assembly. So stay tuned, and my final thoughts on the ride will come shortly after, further down in the review. And in any video in the review, simply click on the link in the description so you can read the entire review at the-gadgeteer.com. Chat with you soon. As I said, pretty good. Mineral oil reservoirs, nice control, nice screen, Shimano 7-speed shifter, bottle holder. I really do wish that they would actually include the bottle holder, but I guess times are hard, right? Pretty big solid headlamp, two tail lamps on here, similar to the Cycrown Roma. So I'll be back soon. We'll talk.